Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a topic that's on the minds of many IT professionals, migrating to Azure Cloud. If you're looking to transition your on-prem infrastructure to the cloud smoothly, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step. First up, planning. Before you start, take a deep dive into your current infrastructure. Assess what you have and determine what needs to migrate. Think of this as your cloud migration inventory. It's crucial to understand dependencies and prioritize applications and services that are cloud-ready. Next, choose the right migration strategy. Azure offers several options: rehost, refactor, re-architect, rebuild, and replace. For a quick lift and shift, rehost might be your go-to. But if you're looking for long-term benefits, consider refactoring or re-architecting your applications to leverage Azure's full potential. Now, onto the tools. Azure Migrate is your best friend here. It's a central hub that helps you track, assess, and execute your migration. With Azure Migrate, you can visualize your migration journey and get insights on cost and performance. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other Azure services. Security is another key aspect. Ensure you're adhering to Azure's best practices for securing your resources. Use Azure Security Center to continuously monitor and protect your workloads. Identity and access management, network security, and data protection should be at the top of your checklist. Testing is non-negotiable. Before you make the final switch, conduct rigorous testing to ensure everything functions as expected in the new environment. Run performance tests, validate data integrity, and check application compatibility. This step can save you from potential headaches post-migration. Finally, it's time to go live. Execute your migration plan and make the switch. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. Continuously monitor and optimize your new Azure environment to ensure you're getting the most out of your cloud investment. And that's it. With careful planning, the right tools, and a focus on security and testing, your Azure cloud migration can be smooth and successful. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more IT tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.